This is the Ravello Loafer in deep olive color from Rothy's. Sophisticated loafers that feature sleek design, comfort, and sustainability. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these loafers are a testament to Rothy's commitment to creating eco-friendly and stylish shoes. The upper lining is made with knit material crafted from repurposed plastic water bottles, just like other Rothy shoes. It provides soft, comfort, flexible upper that hugs the foot comfortably, providing a snug yet flexible fit that molds to your individual foot shape. It features dual density insoles in beige for cushion and supportive, allowing for all-day work without sacrificing comfort. The outsole of the Ravello loafer is made from a sturdy, durable rubber material, providing reliable traction and grip on various surfaces. Got a heel tab to make it easy to put on every time. It has rounded toe box, and the shoes are very light. Priced for $189, and once again, it's fully machine washable. So that's pretty much all the basic description that I got from these loafers. Let's put them on and see what it looks like on my feet and share my thoughts. In terms of softness, this one is way softer than the driving loafers. It feels very comfortable and is indeed super lightweight. I wore this at work and it does provide all-day comfort. You know, at first couple steps, I thought that the shoes would give me that heel slippage, but it did not. It feels sturdy and the traction is decent even on smooth surfaces. By the way, it's flat, so no arch support at all. I really like the look of it. Like, it gives me an old money look vibe. Could easily pair this with my khaki chino pants, and I think it complements well with that color. I mean, this is an example outfit that I would rock these loafers. Overall, I love the softness, the comfort, and the sleek look to provide versatility when it comes to styling. Alright, after trying them on and actually wearing them at work, let me share with you my final thoughts. I have no doubt about the comfort and the softness of these Ravello loafers. It has the timeless silhouette with a modern twist and very minimalist design. It's simply very stylish looking. However, if I would compare this with my driving loafers, this one gives a more formal look, like something I would wear occasionally and not on a daily basis. Basically, at special events where you have to dress up or dinner date nights. I think the shoes are best to wear during the spring or summer season, but obviously feel free to wear it whatever season. Now, is it worth investing with the Ravello loafers? I will say it is excellent for those who are seeking sustainable footwear without compromising style or comfort, don't mind the price, and want a zero break period. However, if you have never owned a pair of Rothy shoes, I highly recommend either getting the driving loafers first or the sneakers one. That's just my personal recommendation for beginners or those who are just discovering this brand. But definitely try this one on to experience the perfect blend of fashion, comfort, and sustainability. Well, that's my quick review of the Rothy's Ravello loafers. Hope you guys find this video information useful, and if you do, feel free to press the thumbs up, share if you can, and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. That's it for me, guys. Stay sharp and stay stylish. You have a good one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.